to sign up for a free account. To do so, simply visit the RepairLink website and click the shop's Register Now button. Complete all registration fields that are in blue in the company information section. If you will be primarily or exclusively using RepairLink for international, IC bus, or other all makes heavy-duty parts, click this option to make these parts your default view. Fill in your contact information in the provided fields. Create a username and password for your RepairLink account following the requirements that show on screen. Review and check the box provided if you accept the RepairLink terms of use. When all the required fields have been completed, click Complete Registration. You will be automatically logged into RepairLink and a welcome message will display. To have RepairLink guide you through the process of adding your international and IC bus dealers, click the provided link. To view parts at local dealers with your customer pricing, be sure to add those dealers to your account setup. RepairLink can always assist you with the process of adding additional international and IC bus dealers at any time. Simply click the Show Me How link. If you are a Fleet Charge customer, add your Fleet Charge card information to your RepairLink profile to ensure you are seeing your guaranteed Fleet Charge pricing when ordering parts from your international truck or IC bus dealers. To add your customer number, click Account Management from the RepairLink toolbar and then select Company Information. Enter your customer number here. This is digits 7 to 11 of your Fleet Charge card number. Click Save Changes. Please reach out to your local international or IC bus dealer for more information regarding Fleet Charge and for any support in adding account credentials.